In this video, we're gonna take a look at Tradingview and Das Trader to see which one is better. So I have here the list with all the features and we're gonna compare them. So we're gonna start with Tradingview. So as you can see, we have best for charting tools, broker integration, ease of use, and pricing. So we're gonna start with best for. So as you can see, we have Tradingview, charting, swing, day traders, crypto, forex, charting tools, excellent, modern, browser-based, broker integration limited, ease of use, very user-friendly, and pricing, they offer free and paid tiers from $50 per month. Then we have Das Trader. So as you can see, we have serious day traders, especially equities, basic visuals, functional but outdated UI, direct market access. So as you can see, Das Pro with brokers directly. Steeper learning curve and paid only, so they don't offer a free plan. And as you can see, it's going to be around $150 per month with broker fees. Now, overall, you can use TradingView for sleek charts, multi-asset analysis, and ease of use, or simply pick Das Trader if you're a high-speed direct access day trader who needs execution speed and L2 data. So basically that's it for today's video, guys. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.